हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बनाने वाले हैं आइस कैंडी एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ श्योर ट्रीट फॉर योर लिटिल वंस एंड good old time memories for the grown ups. So let's start with the first flavor. So I'm going to show you 6 flavors. First, you take any mango slice or any mango drink and just pour it in your container. As simple as that. So basically, what I'm going to show you is tips and tricks to make your old time gola and have fun with the golas and ice candies. Then the second flavor. So for second flavor, we are going to use the rose syrup. Okay. So we have first flavor we have made. Now the second flavor. I'm going to take a lemon. So these are tips. So in any kind of sharbat, you squeeze some little bit of lemon and black salt. Black salt is going to give you that cola wala taste. So these are the tips and tricks. I won't say the entire recipe, but these are the tricks you can use with any kind of sharbat, any kind of flavor you like. Okay. Now here I'm going to show you 6 flavors we usually make. Now because this pandemic, I cannot just go out and buy ice cream for my little one. I will try to be safe and play safe, so I'm doing this at home. I'm sure you can also do it and enjoy. Be safe, stay home and enjoy. See, and this rose syrup, I have added little bit of black salt, lemon and water. And we are going to make a concentrated solution. Okay? And this is if you want you can add some more sugar because kids love sugar. If you're making it for yourself for the old time sake, then I would suggest we just skip the sugar part and we just make a concentrated solution with the lemon and black salt, and it's yum. So this is the rose syrup flavor. Okay, this is the second flavor we are making. It's almost going to be on the similar lines. Then we have so I have a khas syrup, so I can make a khas sharbat of it. I can make a khas gola out of it. See, now I'm taking the khas sharbat, and in the same fashion I'm going to put the khas sharbat with some black salt. If you want you can put the lemon. I like it with lemon. You can skip lemon in this case. Okay, and make the third flavor similarly. So there are various other options as well, like some people have tang at home. See my kid, she just loves this ice candies and she thought it's all ready, so she is just trying to take it. Yeah, so you can use the tang, you can use any fruity or whatever flavor you like. Kala katta, we get nowadays, we get so many syrups available. We can just bring, make the solution, make the highly concentrated syrup, and then put it in the mold, and we have to refrigerate it till it makes the icy gula. See, now this is my third flavor. So I have added khas syrup, then I'm going to pour some water and some black salt. That's it. And it also adds up to the flavor. So the khas syrup is green, so kids usually like colorful things. So if you give them the same color every day, they just get fed up of it. So instead try different colors, try to make it colorful. See, now we have almost finished with our third flavor. Now after this I'm going to show you a healthy one. So what we are going to do is we can take any fruit, any citrus fruit. For that sake I am taking mosambi fruit. So we can take a mosambi and take the juice. Just squeeze the mosambi and take out the juice. I have already done that. And you can use this juice to make your ice lolly. Okay, so it's going to be healthy one and kids will enjoy it, and you will enjoy looking at them eating a fruit juice in the form of ice lolly. So that's going to be a very healthy ice lolly, and it's going to be fun for them to eat. So this one is a healthy one. You can use any fruit. So for that sake you can use watermelon, you can use santra, mosambi, whatever. Now the next flavor I'm going to club the khas sharbat, and the rose syrup together, and I'm just going to make a mix flavor out of it. So here I'm just trying out different flavors. So my husband even suggested me a jaljeera flavor. So he likes pani puri a lot, so he tried the jaljeera flavor. He liked it. I'm not sure about myself, but you can try that flavor as well if you like the pani puri flavor. If you have some more ideas of different flavors which you have been making at home, do share with me in my comment box and let me know. So even I will enjoy and others can also take advantage of it. So my fifth flavor is ready. And the last one, what I'm going to do is just squeezing the lemon and adding some sabja into it. So that sabja will give that different look and a different flavor. It's just going to be a simple limbu pani, concentrated limbu pani with some sabja added to it. I just like it that way sometimes. So we are almost done with our six flavors, and please don't forget to share me your flavors. I'm sure you might have got so many ideas by now, and you're going to definitely try it. Just try it, enjoy with your loved ones, enjoy with your kids, and just get into that old time memories of we having the gola when we were kids. I'm sure now we don't give that gola to our kids, but let them enjoy the taste, homemade gola taste, and just have fun with them. Okay, see, now you have to refrigerate all this and then wait till it's frozen and you can enjoy with your family. See, now my last flavor is almost done, and I'm going to pour it in my mold. Just adding the sabja, final touch. Mix, and then pour it in the container. And I'm done. Just a little bit of sabja remaining. I'm just put that into the mold, and we are done. We are ready to refrigerate this thing, and once it is frozen, I'll just take it out and show you the ice candies, the lovely ice candies. Enjoy this in this hot summer. Mumbai is always summer, so we hardly get winter season, so it's better to be ready for the summer hacks. See, it's beautiful, lovely colors. I'll just take out all the ice candies. See, it's looking wonderful. It tastes awesome. Enjoy your summer cooler.